But godliness and contentment is a great gain. First Timothy chapter 6 verses 6. Hello beautiful family, warmest welcome back again to the Lovystouch channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today on the menu we have this delicious, tasty and very healthy Ademe Detsi with some delicious and soft Eworkple. Please my hours on here, if I do not get the pronunciation right, please forgive me. But in simple terms, this is Molokhia leaf soup with some soft Eworkple or akple. Okay, let's get started. It's so good and fast to make. Here are the list of ingredients found. Here I have my frozen Molokhia leaves. Here in Sweden, it's very difficult to get the fresh ones, so I am managing the frozen ones like this. And for the proteins that we're going for, I have some crabs, some prawns or shrimps, and here are some smoked salmon, and to that I have some chopped onions, my stinky fish, momone. I also blended up some red onions, some pepper and ginger. I chopped a few more onions, and I have my palm oil and some fresh spinach. Spinach is very optional. I just wanted to have a feel or some fresh leaves in there. Okay, very optional. Don't use it if you're using the fresh Molokhia leaves. Okay, so in my pot I'll go ahead and warm up my palm oil and go in with my momone. I'll just allow that to infuse very well and then add my chopped or diced onions, and to that I'll add my blended onions and the peppers. I left a little bit of the onions for later use. I'll just rinse out the bowl with a little bit of water added here, and then add my crab and the shrimps here. I'll add a little bit of seasoning and some salt to taste, and then cover it for about 10 minutes. I'll just make sure that the crab and the shrimps are fully well cooked. The process is very simple. All we do here is cover it and attend to our adame preparation. Okay, so let's prep our adame. Okay, it's the same thing as ayoyo if it's confusing you. I really wish I had it in the fresh state. I would have chopped off the leaves, the tips of the leaves off, but you know what, I'm gonna deal with this. So to that I'm going to add my Lucust bean or dawadawa. To help maintain the slime, I will add a bit of chopped onions and the blended onions as well. I do not like to have some bicarbonate soda here. If you do not like too much of onions in this dish, please go for a bit of bicarbonate soda. It will help maintain the little bit of slime that this leaf have. Okay, I just sprinkle a little bit of spinach, very optional. I repeat, you do not have to add it, but I love to have it in here. And add a little bit of some warm water, allow it to cook through for about 5 to 6 minutes. Do not overcook this. You want it to retain all its nutritional benefits. Okay, it's very healthy. That is so healthy. Okay, so I'm going to also prep my smoked salmon and then introduce it to the base of this soup. All right, I told you this soup is so easy to make. Once the salmon have been added, please be sure and gentle with your stirring. You do not want them to be breaking. Okay, give them a gentle stir, allow it to simmer for about just 3 minutes, and then add your beautifully cooked and delicious adame. I told you all, this soup is so easy to make. Now look at this. Queen Enitha. Girl, are you in the building? I remember I and this friend of mine, we will go to one lady very close to us and enjoy it every single time and opportunity that we had. It was just so good. So right now we are done with our Ademe Detsi preparation. All that you have to do is cover it halfway, allow it to simmer for just 2 minutes, and go ahead and prep for your Eworkple. And Eworkple is just made out of some cornmeal flour, just that, nothing else. And you divide it, you make some into porridge form like so, and then add the rest of the powder. It's very, very simple, fam. You need to try it. And in a previous video that I shared concerning Ademe Detsi, I addressed this as akple, and you all thought me that this is not called akple, this is Eworkple. So I'm so thankful for that correction. I am so grateful. I shared a very detailed step-by-step recipe of how you make this, so please check out the link here or down below in the description box. Okay, like that, we are done with our Ademe Detsi, and our Eworkple is also ready. Good, fam. It's so good. You need to try this. Very, very healthy, and it's also pocket friendly. Yeah. There you have it. Thank you so very much, family, for watching right till the end. I am so grateful, and if you enjoy the process, please be sure to give me a like, which really helps the channel grow. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. So please be sure to subscribe and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much once again for watching, and just know that you are so beautiful and so unique just the way you are. See you in my next one.